What if I told you that you can create stunning AI videos completely for free today? I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that can turn simple ideas into cinematic videos. You don't need expensive software or professional editing skills to create amazing videos anymore. We are going to test 3 of the best free AI video generators and compare their results. Let's compare 3 powerful AI video tools and discover which one delivers the best results. AI video generation has improved so much that some results look almost like real movies. We'll compare video quality, generation speed, and the free features each tool offers. I'll also test each tool using the same prompt to see which one performs better. The 3 tools we are testing today are PixVerse, Google AI Studio, and Kling AI. Let's start with the first AI video generator and see what makes it special. First, let's take a look at PixVerse AI, one of the most popular AI video generators available today. PixVerse allows users to turn simple text descriptions into impressive AI-generated videos. You only need to describe your idea, and the AI creates a visual scene based on your prompt. Another powerful feature is image-to-video, which can bring your still images to life. PixVerse offers different creative styles, allowing users to generate unique videos for different purposes. This makes it useful for YouTubers, marketers, and anyone creating online content. Now let's test PixVerse with the same prompt we will use for every AI tool. Our test prompt is a futuristic city with flying cars, cinematic lighting, and realistic details. PixVerse now processes the prompt and begins creating the video, and here is the final result. Now let's analyze the quality, realism, and overall performance. The first thing we notice is the video quality, details, and how realistic the movement looks. Now let's compare our original prompt with the final AI-generated result to see how accurately the tool followed our instructions. The first thing we test is motion quality. Let's see how realistic the flying vehicles and camera movement look. The details are important. Here we check how well the AI creates realistic environments and small visual elements. A great AI video needs smooth camera movement, and this test shows how well the tool handles cinematic shots. Lighting can completely change a video. Here we analyze the atmosphere and visual quality. One useful feature is creating different versions of the same idea without starting from zero. Before choosing any AI tool, it's important to understand the limits of the free version. After testing PixVerse, it delivers impressive visuals, simple controls, and strong creative results. PixVerse was impressive, but now let's test another powerful AI video generator and compare the results. Next, we are testing Google AI Studio, a powerful AI platform with advanced creative capabilities. Google AI Studio allows users to experiment with advanced AI models and creative workflows. To make this comparison fair, we will use the exact same futuristic city prompt again. The AI is now analyzing the prompt and creating a new video based on our instructions. Here is the result from Google AI Studio using the same prompt. Now let's compare both results and see how Google AI Studio performs against our first tool. The biggest question is realism, and here we analyze details, movement, and visual quality. The cinematic quality and atmosphere show how powerful AI video generation has become. Google AI Studio offers powerful AI capabilities, but accessibility and complexity can vary for different users. Next, we will explore more features and see what makes this tool different from others. Beyond simple generation, Google AI Studio provides advanced tools for experimenting with AI models. Now let's test another feature by turning a static image into a moving AI video. The AI adds motion and creates a more dynamic version of the original image. A good AI video needs natural movement, so we check how realistic the animation looks. Small details can make a big difference, especially when creating realistic AI videos. This type of AI technology can help creators, businesses, and content producers save time. Speed is another important factor when choosing an AI video tool. However, advanced AI tools can sometimes require more technical knowledge and have usage limits. Overall, Google AI Studio offers powerful AI capabilities with impressive creative potential. Google AI Studio showed strong results, but now it's time to test our final AI video generator, Kling AI. Finally, we are testing Kling AI, one of the most advanced AI video generators available today. Kling AI focuses on creating highly realistic videos with advanced motion and visual quality. To keep this test fair, we are using the exact same futuristic city prompt again. Kling AI is now generating the scene and turning our text description into a cinematic video. Here is the final result from Kling AI using the same prompt. The first thing we analyze is quality, and Kling AI shows impressive details and realistic visuals. Motion quality is where Kling AI stands out, creating smoother and more natural animations. The camera movements create a more cinematic feeling similar to professional film shots. Now we compare all three tools to find out which one delivers the strongest overall performance. Kling AI delivers impressive realism, smooth motion, and cinematic quality, but let's explore its limitations next. Now let's test another important feature, turning a still image into a realistic moving video. Kling AI adds movement and transforms a simple image into a cinematic video. A major challenge for AI video tools is maintaining realistic movement while keeping details consistent. Consistency is important because AI videos can sometimes change objects between frames. Kling AI performs strongly when creating smooth cinematic camera movements. Advanced effects can make AI videos look more realistic and professional. Kling AI can be useful for content creators, marketers, and filmmakers looking for faster production. Like most AI tools, the free version comes with limits on credits and available generations. After testing Kling AI, it stands out for realistic motion, cinematic quality, and impressive visual details. Now that we have tested all three tools, let's compare them and find the best free AI video generator. For the final test, let's compare all three AI video generators side by side. The first category is video quality. Small details often make the biggest difference in cinematic AI videos. Motion quality determines how natural an AI-generated video feels when objects begin to move. Smooth cinematic camera movement is another important factor when creating professional-looking videos. Realism is where powerful AI video generators truly stand out from the competition. If you're a beginner, ease of use can be just as important as video quality. For beginners, PixVerse offers one of the easiest and most creator-friendly experiences. Google AI Studio offers powerful creative possibilities for users who want to explore advanced AI capabilities. When it comes to cinematic realism and motion quality, Kling AI delivers some of the most impressive results in our test. The best choice ultimately depends on your needs, whether you value simplicity, creativity, or cinematic quality. Choosing the right AI tool depends on what type of videos you want to create. If you're just getting started with AI video generation, PixVerse is an excellent choice for beginners. For users who love experimenting with creative possibilities, Google AI Studio offers powerful capabilities. If cinematic realism matters most to you, Kling AI delivers some of the strongest visual results in our comparison. The best part is that all three tools allow creators to explore AI video generation without needing advanced editing skills. AI video generation is evolving rapidly and becoming more powerful than ever before. From YouTube videos to cinematic storytelling, AI is opening endless creative possibilities for creators around the world. PixVerse is great for beginners, Google AI Studio shines in creativity, and Kling AI stands out for cinematic quality. Thank you for joining us on this AI video generation journey. I hope this comparison helps you choose the perfect tool for your next project. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Join AI Toolverse for more powerful AI tools, tutorials, and the latest AI innovations.